Hello, it is Friday, November 20th. It's about 4:30 right now. I'm on my way up to deer camp up north for our third weekend of rifle season. We have a third weekend. The 100 zones all have a third weekend of rifle hunting, so I'm headed up there for the last weekend. I haven't seen much, haven't gotten any opportunities at any deer, so I'm trying to fill a tag now. But I am making a pit stop at a little stock pond that I've fished the last few years, and I'm going to check some ice and see if we can find some safe ice, so maybe I can sneak it on Monday. So let's go check some ice. Gotta have the ice picks. So, here it is. So it doesn't look great. Give it a hit. It's kind of cloudy. Good. Good. It's only about 6 inches deep, so I'm sure that's all gonna be frozen. I really don't like that ice. Really cloudy. So I don't really love this ice so far, but I got my ice picks on. It doesn't get too deep here, so I'm just gonna venture out a little bit and leave the camera here on shore and kind of show you guys what I'm working with. Be right back. So here's what we're working with. I'd say solid probably 2.5, 3 inches, I bet. I mean, that's good enough for me. But yeah, I'm excited. Let's get on the road. Let's go shoot a deer. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am up in the deer stand. I made it to the cabin last night about 6:30. Came in, played some cards, talked a bit, went to bed, so now I am looking for a deer. I am really looking for a deer. It is dead quiet in the woods. Alright, well, stay tuned. We'll see you later. Merp. Merp. right over there. I hit her well. I think I poked her both lungs, or I got heart, one of the two. It's not a huge doe. I definitely wouldn't have shot it if it wasn't the last day I was going to be hunting this year. But we're putting meat in the freezer, and that's all we care about right now. But yeah, I heard her coming from 200 yards away. It felt like I couldn't see her for the longest time, but I could hear her so far back there. The leaves are like a sheet of ice. So, like, every time you take a step, it just breaks and crunches. So that was an interesting walk in for me. But yeah, I heard her from a long ways out. She was toast. Yeah, it's just nice to have seen something and be able to take a shot and harvest an animal like that. So fulfilled. We'll see you guys soon when I get down. Stay tuned, and we'll go check it out soon. We are walking up to the deer now. That other one didn't come back, so just gonna go for this one, check it out. Yeah. She did not go far. I think it's a she at least. Yeah, it's a she. So she was actually quartering away from me. So I hit her there. There's my entrance. And then I went out by the front shoulder there. So, yeah, I think it was a pretty good shot. I don't think I ruined much meat. And this is actually a lot younger deer than I thought. Smaller, I should say. Not younger, it's probably 2 years old. But hey, she'll eat. She'll go to the freezer nice. All right, I'm gonna get to work, dragging it and everything. So we'll see you after a while. All right, it's about 1:45. We are headed out for our afternoon evening sit. I got my deer this morning, so now I'm going to sit with Dean. Bump. Easy, Dean. I'm going to sit with Dean, trying to get him a deer. What do you think we're going to see tonight, Dean?
A 6 point.
A 6 point?
A 6 point. Maybe an 8. I don't know. Maybe a doe. I'd take anything at this point in time.
All right. So we do have a big buck competition going. It's been going for the 3 weeks of rifle hunting between our cabin and the neighbors. And the leading big buck right now is actually a fork. So pretty beatable here. It's probably our last sit for the rifle season. It's Saturday night.
Sad day.
Sad day. We're gonna try to see what we can see, and if it's brown, it's down. We got some tags to kill. I still have my main tag, and Dean, you have a
main tag.
Just a main tag left, so we're gonna be shooting today, no matter what we see.
Fact.
Stay tuned. I still have a tag on. Yeah, Marcus's turn. So that was interesting. Dean took a kind of a tough shot. There's some brush a couple times, and he hit it the second time. We think we heard it go down. We heard the crash. But a second deer came in, and I decided to take a shot at that one. And we don't know if it's just hanging around or if I hit it. I think it's fawn. It might be the fawn. So that might be fawn number 2 for me. So we're gonna give it like 10-15 minutes, and then we'll get down and see what we got. We found some blood and hair here, and we see the direction that they're going, so we are gonna get the track in here. What do you think, Dean?
It's a deer.
It's a deer.
It's a doe.
Meat in the freezer.
Yep.
So the 2020 deer season has come to an end. Our last morning of hunting was today. I sat with Dean again. We sat last night and didn't see anything, but we went out again this morning. And Dean got a shot off at a doe and missed the first one. You guys have already seen it, but we got one of the deer. I didn't draw any blood on mine. We tracked it for probably a couple hundred yards, and we didn't find any blood.
Fresh snow. We would have seen it.
Yeah. That's it. So 2020 deer season is now over for rifle hunting. I might sneak out for archery, and Dean might get out for muzzle loading.
Maybe.
So yeah, rifle hunting, it was pretty uneventful for me. I saw 3 deer total. Dean, how many did you see?
The 2 we shot at.
The 2 we shot. Okay, so it was pretty uneventful for both of us. Not a whole lot as a crew as a cabin either.
No.
We probably had 8 deer total.
Everything was moving at night.
Between 20 hunters.
Yeah.
So wasn't a great year in general. Make sure you check out the channel, drop a like and a subscribe maybe, and hit you up for some future videos. And ice is coming soon, so we're super excited for that.